Hello, Facebook enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting tutorial for those who want to give their Facebook experience a stylish upgrade. We'll discuss how to enable dark mode on Facebook, adding a modern and easy-on-the-eyes touch to your social media journey. Let's get started. Open your Facebook app on your device. Please make sure you are signed into your account for these changes to take effect. Now look for the menu icon in the top right or bottom right corner. It is usually represented by 3 horizontal lines or dots. Touch it to access the settings menu. Within the menu, find the gear-shaped option and tap on it. This will open a submenu with additional options. Look for Dark Mode in the submenu. Depending on your device and version of the app, it may be directly available or nested within Settings. Tap it to open the Dark Mode settings. Here's the fun part. Clicking on will activate the exact mode. You may notice an instant transformation as your Facebook app takes on a sleek, dark look. And here it is. Enabling dark mode on Facebook is a quick and stylish way to improve your browsing experience. If this guide helped you, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and let me know in the comments if you want to know anything else about Facebook or any other app. Thanks for tuning in. If you haven't subscribed yet, press the subscribe button. Until next time, happy browsing in style.